In this video, I'll show you how to claim the Epic Games free holiday games, and it's happening throughout the holiday season. All you have to do is go to store.epicgames.com, or if you have the app, you can log in there as well. But in this case, I'm logged into the store.epicgames.com site, and simply once you're logged in, all you have to do is scroll down, and you're going to see this right here. So it's say free games, and it's for today until tomorrow. It's the Callisto Protocol, and then in about 21 hours, a new game is going to be released. So all you have to do is click the game, and there should be a get option here. So I'm just going to select get, and it is a $79 game, as you know. So I'm just going to go ahead, place the order. Just so you know, you don't have to select this one right here. It's just going to give your email to Krafton Inc., but I don't need that. So I'm going to go ahead, place the order, and it should be added to my library. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for the order. Continue browsing. You can already see that it is in my library. And there you go. That's how you get the free games. Stay tuned tomorrow for another free game. And if you like that, hit the like and subscribe. And I will get back to you with another video. Yay.